Hello friends, welcome to Kitchen's Food Magic. Myself Priyanka welcomes all of you to my Kitchen's Food Magic. Today I am going to tell you a most interesting recipe, that is dalgona coffee. You can make very easily this recipe at your home. For this the ingredients required are 2 tablespoons of coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, water as required, and milk. So friends, let's start our recipe. For this I have to take a bowl. In this bowl, first of all, I will take my coffee, then I will add 2 tablespoons of sugar. After that I will add 2 tablespoons of water. Same quantity of sugar, coffee and water is required for this recipe. Now I have to beat with this whisker and a foam is formed, and I have to whisk it or beat it until the liquid forms frothy. So friends, it takes 7 to 8 minutes to beat this. Continuously beating for 5 minutes. See, the texture is changing, and we have to beat it like this only for some more times. I'm showing you with the hand. You can do it this thing by machine also. By hand it takes a little time, but you can do this same process with the machine, whipping machine. Beating for 8 minutes. See friends, how the texture of my coffee has changed. Now it is ready. Let me keep it aside. And now I am going to make my coffee. I have taken glasses, and now I am going to pour milk in this glass. Before that I have to add some ice cubes in this. Like this I am adding ice cubes. Now I am pouring milk in this glass. We will not fill the glass with milk because we have to add the coffee mixture. Friends, if you want to mix more sugar or you like more sugar, then you can add sugar or powdered sugar in this glasses, 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. But I think there is no requirement of sugar because our coffee is quite sufficient sweetened. Now I am adding my mixture of coffee. Look at the texture, how beautiful it is looking. In the same way I am making in 2 different ways, so let me keep it aside. And now I will mix some cocoa powder in this bowl. One tablespoon of cocoa powder I have taken, and now I will mix the cocoa powder in this mixture in the same way through this whisker. After mixing cocoa powder, now I am putting this in the next glass. Both the glasses are ready. Now I am adding some drinking chocolate powder on the top of this for topping. It is totally optional. Both the Dalgona coffee are ready. One in chocolate flavor and other in coffee flavor. Friends, if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe, share and comment my recipe, and please don't forget to press the bell icon, because you will be get notified whenever I will upload my video. So thanks for watching. Enjoy the coffee.